Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm from New York, and I buy the Miracle Fire Rub at Know Thyself, Love Thyself. My testimony on it, my mom had a stroke. I come here and I use it on my mom. Now, after being used it on my mom, it helps my mom so much. I introduce it to the neighbor, which is my mom neighbor right at the next bed. She was in pain, such a hard pain, and she was crying. Anyway, I used it on her, and when she finished a little time, she was like, the pain was just a little bit there. I used it the next day on her. I used it, and now our son wanted me to get a bottle for him, because he was asking me what have I done to his mom. His mom is not crying for pain like that anymore. I said, okay, I shall get it for you. So you could come and get your Miracle Fire Rub here in New York. It worked wonders. All right.
So where could they get it?
Love Thyself. Love Thyself.
Know Thyself, Love Thyself. 5 East 2nd Street in Mount Vernon. 646 area code 455-9407. Get it while supplies last. Bless.